tan 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 VIP. એ પિક્ચર ધનુષ ફેમિલી પિક્ચर है उसका 25वां पिक्चर था वीआईपी और उसका फैमिली पिक्चर है इस पिक्चर का डायरेक्शन और राइटिंग उसे चाचा वीरराज सर ने किया है और इस पिक्चर का सब गाना उससे छोटा भाई अनिरुद्ध ने दिया है और धनुष का फैमिली पिक्चर होने के कारण धनुष ने इस पिक्चर का सब गाना खुद ही लिखा है यदि धनुष बहुत टैलेंटेड बंदा है उस तो सॉन्ग राइटर का जरूरत नहीं वो टैलेंटेड बंदा है भाई Velayla Patdari. After making his debut in Bollywood, Dhanush did Marian and he did a disaster. After that disaster, he did a 12 classes with cinematographer Vairaj sir. And VIP is a third classes. Because of his plot, this movie's plot can easily relate it. This movie was only made on a budget of 5 crores and it made over 100 crores because of its story. Its story is can be related worldwide. When this movie starts, you will really feel sad for Rajwaran because his life is just miserable and you're just laughing at him because it's real. They portrayed this character in a realistic way possible, and Rajwaran is just really funny. From his first intro, मेरा भाई क्या बोल रहा था नहीं तो अभी भी याद है इस बीच में धनुष एक अनएम्प्लॉय इंजीनियर रहता है जो घर पे कुछ नहीं करता सिर्फ इस विषय में धनुष ने इंजीनियरिंग करती थे बहुत मेहनत करते इंजीनियरिंग करते थे उससे पता चले मैं जैसे करोड़ों लोग दे फिर उसका बहुत मांदा हो जाता है उससे जॉब नहीं मिलता पर उससे जॉब मिलता है पर जैसा उसका फील्ड का चाहिए हर इंजीनियर एक चीज़ रिलेट कर सकता है मैं 4 साल एक डिग्री लेने तो जैसा तो मैं तो वही फील्ड में चाहिए हर इंजीनियर का दिल का बात है और फिर घर पे कुछ नहीं करता बंदा क्या करता है दिन भर घर पे रहता है उसका छोटा भाई काम पे जाता है और छोटा भाई काम पे जाता है और घर पे झाड़ू पोछा मार लेता है बंदा वो थाड़े है बंदा और Amla Paul. She plays every engineer's imaginary girlfriend in this movie. She plays imaginary girlfriend of every Vela engineer because most of the time she doesn't exist in this world. Sometimes engineers have to build a rocket to find her in space or something like that because she doesn't exist in this world. Amla Paul is just beautiful. Romance. I know it doesn't feel real when you think a jobless civil engineer can get a dentist which is this much hot, but whereas sir wrote it in such a beautiful way and performance by the two leads, if it's just awesome. If that is not enough for you, if that is not enough for you, when Anirudh is there with hey enjoy and the scenes where both of them moves their head together are my favorite. Whereas sir, after doing a cinematography for lot of Dhanush movies, whereas sir finally made his director debut and his story was just very unique and real. It's this movie story is so beautifully written and it has legendary dialogue like hey Tambi. It doesn't matter who earns first in this family, but it does matter who earns at the right time. इस पिक्चर में धनुष से 2 मोनोलॉज है वो 2 मोनोलॉज आपके दिल में लगे नहीं ना आप खुद तो इंजीनियर नहीं बोल सकते ये पिक्चर हर एक इंजीनियर ने देखना चाहिए आप इंजीनियर करो या ना करो फिर भी आप ये पिक्चर देखो मैं तो लग रहा है डिग्री वालों ने डिग्री देने के पहले पूछना चाहिए आपने ये पिक्चर देखा नहीं देखा तो फिर पहले देख के आओ बाद में आपको डिग्री मिलेगा इतना अच्छा पिक्चर है Rishikesh plays his brother, younger brother in this movie. He's so innocent in this movie. That's why we hate him so much in this movie because he's so innocent. He makes Radhuvaran's life so miserable by and the laughter comes just naturally when he does that. This movie also had some really funny scene with legendary comedian Vivek Sudhu Puranik. After her intro, you can easily understand why the woman sees her mother in her. And Amul Baby was played by Amitabh Bachchan. He plays a childish Amul Baby perfectly. And his father role was portrayed by Samuti Tarani. His role just feels real. I think everyone will see their father in him. Always tossing, always yells at him. Doesn't matter if he's wrong or right. He will yell at him and always telling me you're a piece of shit. But deep down, he does love him. And Ponan, the legendary actress from Tamil industry, she plays my favorite mother in this movie. Whether she's talking to Dhanush on terrace, or she's beating him in this movie, or she's telling him not to break any pots while fighting, or she or when someone breaks her pot and she tells him to beat that guy and and she's just pure gold in this movie. Or when she moans when someone beats her pot. She's just pure gold is in this movie. I know Dhanush had a big role in this movie, but I think she stole the show from Dhanush in this movie. Sometimes I see my mother in her. Don't worry, my mother is not dead or anything. It's because her performance just captures the soul of beautiful world, which is Amma. And that Amma song is so painful to watch because of her funny real portrayal of his mother in the first half. And it's one day his bike. Dhanush, I want that bike. It's my dream bike. I want to ride that bike. Whenever Dhanush describes his bike or he's begging for it to start, it's just really funny. And it's really important part of this and she's really important part of this story. Soundtrack. All the songs of this movie were written by Dhanush, and all the songs were great. We Anirudh doing title track to Velaila Patdhari. Dhanush singing Po Indu Naida and What the Taruvai, what the Taruvai, and legendary song like Injovai, Artuchu, Poda. And Idundara Sanja, no Rakinda, and Undundara Tanda capture the souls of every unemployed engineer out there. Unemployed man and engineer out there. Undundara Sanja, Nara Kinda, Hana Tind. I am single, I'm a yonder under. Lyrics badala natte. Lyrics banu. Oh, Rasanda, Nara Kinja, I am single, I'm yonder. Arundura Sanda, Tamil is my mother tanja, I'm single, I'm not yonder. Nora Sanda, Nara Kinja, I am single and I'm yonder. Dun, dun. This song captures the souls of every unemployed engineer out there. Doesn't matter if you're doing an engineering or any other field. This you can easily relate to that song because it captures the soul of every unemployed man out there. And that Amma song, written by Dhanush, sung by Dhanush and S. Janki. This song is really powerful song. This song basically captured the beautiful relation of mother and his son. And Sharanya Pohanan's performance in the first half made this song really special. And she makes his superhero entry really special for me. And soothing voice of Dhanush gonna make you really sad. And when H. Jansi madam's voice comes, It will give you goosebumps.